Okay guys, today we'll be disassembling all three types of Springfield Hellcat mags. So we got the 11, 13, and 15 round, and we're gonna start with the 11. So you're gonna need some sort of like flat head screwdriver, and then I like to take my thumb and put it on the back, and then we're gonna take this screwdriver, and then you'll see a little metal thing, that's actually the end of the spring. We're gonna push that down, and then the whole thing should slide forward, and then you should be able to pull it off. I would keep my thumb back there, and then this comes off. You can see there's some lint in there because this is the one I haul around all the time. Put it back together like that, and then this will go to where the taller end will go forward. So we're gonna put that in there, and then this is a little bit of a tricky part. So I take my thumb and then put it back there, and make sure you get the spring inside of the magazine, or else it'll fight you a little bit. We're gonna take the floor plate, and slide it on there, and then make sure it doesn't jump out on you. And then when you push it in, you'll hear it click into place because that spring goes back into position there. And what it's catching on is a little bit of a lip that is on the inside of these. So the 13 is similar, but use the same spring, same follower, same everything except this plastic part. So the only difference is it won't say 13 on the back, it'll only say 11. Anyway, so we're going to there's a little hole there, and when you push on it, you can see in the back there that metal part actually comes up, and then we'll push it forward just like the other one. But that's that fake little floor thing that I was talking about. But that spring is the same one that's in the 11 round. And so to put this one back in, it is a little bit trickier because you got to deal with this thing. And the trickiest part is when you'll want this part on the outside of the magazine, but then you can see that spring wants to go all the way to the back, and that needs to be on the inside of the magazine body. So it might fight you just a hair, so you can pull it out and then kind of push that back and just finagle it in. So now you can see my spring's on the inside. This metal part is on the outside, and then it's very similar to the 13 round. We just slide this on like that, and then okay, so you see how that spring kind of wanted to come out? I'm just going to push them in, and then you can push on that metal part, and it should go in and just barely pop up like that. And then that's how you take the 13 round apart. Okay, the 15 rounder is very similar to the 11. You just got to push on this part a little bit, and then other than that, it's going to be the same as the 11 rounder. Okay guys, and that's how you take the Springfield Hellcat Magazines part. If you have any comments or tips or tricks, please put it in the comment section below. As always guys, thank you for watching.